Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Let me join others also.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nana.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
You,
morning,
ma'am.
children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. So far, what we have learned, all the topics, you all are aware of it. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
You all know how to find out factors of given numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
How to find common factors also you know.
Yes, ma'am.
And how to find the highest common factor also you people knows.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the short form of highest common factor, children?
HCF.
Yeah,
HCF.
it's
HCF.
HCF. HCF. The full form of HCF is what? Highest
Highest
common
common.
factor. Okay, highest common factor. And after that, we learned about how to find the multiples. What are multiples? And how to find out the multiples of particular number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now today we are going to learn how to find out the multiples, extracting the multiples of more than two numbers, and after that from those numbers we are finding out the common multiples as well as the least common multiple. Let us discuss today about the common multiples and least common multiple. Okay?
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us start, children. Open your notebooks. Little notes part is there. After that, we'll go to course book. It takes time, I think, no, to write all this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll explain. Listen first. Then I'll tell you what to open, either textbook, course book or notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
First, listen,
Start,
children.
ma'am, class.
You all mute yourself. I'm muting you.
Ma'am, you're explaining.
Yes, Nana, I'm explaining now. After that, I'll let you to write in something, either in course book or text notebook. Let me, you all know about multiples, right? First, let us extract. Don't write anything. Explanation. Okay, children, let me explain first. About what? Today, we are going to discuss about common multiples. What are those? Common multiples. To find out the common multiples, we need to find out multiples of more than one number. It's not possible to find out the common multiples for one number only. We'll just get the multiples of a number. We'll just get the multiples of a number. Yes, Surya, you are saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Mute yourself. Now, see, so for one number, it is not possible to find a common multiple. Only we can find the multiples of a given number. But if more than one number is there, there we have to find out the common multiples. Let us take 2. Let us find out the first 10 multiples of 2. Let us find out first 10 multiples of 2. Tell me, Rohan, the first 10 multiples of 2. Rohan, Rohan, tell me the first 10 multiples of 2.
2,
Yeah.
2,
Fast,
4,
fast. Very good.
6, 10,
Mm.
12,
Very good.
16,
14,
18,
16,
20.
18 and 20. Children, listen. Look here carefully. The first 10 multiples of 2, what we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now, let us write the first 10 multiples of 3 here. Let us write the first 10 multiples of 3. Netra, tell me. Okay, Ashish, you tell me. What are the first 10 multiples of 3?
3, 1,
3?
3,
Mm.
6,
Very good.
9,
Mm. On your videos, all of you?
12,
Okay.
15,
Go to 3 table. 3 ones are is 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are?
18,
Okay, 18. 3 sevens are?
21,
3 eights are?
24,
3 nines are?
27,
3 tens are?
30.
As we need only 10 multiples, we have taken till 30. Okay, Ashish, you were absent, no, previously?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you can able to understand multiples. If I start from here, why you were absent these many days? Yes, Ashish. Try to attend regularly, okay? I thought to call you.
Okay.
Now, here we have extracted the first 10 multiples of 2 and first 10 multiples of 3. Now, from this, mute yourself, Ashish. Ashish, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Here now we are going to find out the common multiples. What are common multiples? The numbers which we can see repeatedly in both the numbers. The multiples which we can see in both the numbers repeatedly. Which one is repeating here? Viraj. Viraj, tell me which one is repeating here? Which one is common? Firstly, which number is common? Very good. 6 is common. Next, any more number is common?
12,
Very good. 12,
18,
18. That's all. Till here for the first 10 multiples of 2 and 3, we have 6, 12 and 18. Now let us write down. I'm going to next page. Don't write anything, children. I'm explaining. I may give you the notes through MCB. Just listen. The common multiples here you can find are what? Let us write that. Okay. The common multiples. I'm going to next page. Okay. I'll elaborate. I'll maximize this. The common multiples we find here for 2 and 3 are what? 6, 12, 18. Got it? Here we have extracted 3 common multiples. The first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3. Till here is it okay? Till here it is okay, children? The common multiples of 2 and 3. Only the first 3 common multiples we have extracted. So many we will be getting. Why? Because the multiples are infinite, right? We have infinite number of multiples. From those infinite number of multiples, we may find so many common multiples. So many infinite number of common multiples we can extract. But here we are choosing only few. The first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3 here we got are 6, 12 and 18. Out of these 6, 12, 18. Tell me the least common multiple, children. We got three common multiples of 2 and 3. First three common multiples. Netra, tell me which one is the least one among these?
Ma'am?
Nana. Out of these three numbers, which one is the least common multiple?
6.
Yes, 6. 6 is the first common multiple is nothing but the least common multiple, which is the smaller ones out of that 6, right? Least common multiple of 2 and 3 is how much? 6. 6 is nothing but the first common multiple as well as the least common multiple. Okay. The short form of least common multiple is what, children?
LCM.
Very good. LCM. Least common multiple. Remember these two things, children. See, here we have found the actual concept. Here we knew about the actual concept, how to find out the common multiples. Among those, how to find out the least common multiple. Now we have another method also to find out the LCM, least common multiple. See, instead of taking, just now you have taken for 2 and 3, right? How you have taken the LCM for 2 and 3? You first choose, you have written the first multiples of them and you have chosen the first multiple of them as LCM, right? If you get bigger numbers like 21 and 24, suppose, how can we find out the LCM for it? The same way you can find out, but it is a big process, right? Srithan, I'm explaining you the important ones here. You are roaming here and there. What you are doing, Srithan?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm
Okay, listen, Nana, listen carefully. Here, for simple numbers, for one digit numbers, it is okay to find in this manner, which I have told you before. But for two digit numbers and more than two digit numbers, it is not always possible. It is not so easy as we have found before. It is not that much easy as we have found before, right? Taking the first 10 multiples of 10 means 21 means it is a big process. 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are is 42, 21 threes are is 63. Like this, you may get a bigger numbers and it is not always possible. For that sake, have another method to find out the LCM. Let us apply the method here. See, you all know how to find the prime factors, children? Let me unmute all of you. I just want to know how
Yes, ma'am.
you people know how to find out prime factors. All of you should unmute your videos.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Nana, you all know, right? How to find out the prime factors. So for this here also, let us find the prime factors for 21 and 24. Just like HCF method only, we are extracting first the prime factors of 21. What are the prime factors of 21? We can use two methods again for this. Either factor tree method, otherwise the division method. Division method is what? 3 sevens are is 21. Only two prime numbers you will get for this 21, right, children? 3 and 7. But whereas for 24, if you apply the division method here, what are the prime numbers you will be getting here? 2 12s are, 2 6 are, 2 3s are. What are the prime factors here you got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. All these are prime numbers. Now, the method is going to be applied from here to extract the common multiples. least common multiple, sorry. Here, to find the least common, before to find the HCF, what you used to do, children? You used to circle the common factors first, right? You used to circle the common factors, right? In the same manner, for finding out LCM also, you have to circle the common factors first. After that, let us take that number first. Actually, HCF is what? HCF of 21 and 24 is what? Here itself you have confirmed that 3 is the HCF of 21 and 24. Right? But for LCM, along with that 3, you have to multiply the remaining numbers also. Remaining numbers are what? See, these are not common factors. Why? Because the factors which you can see for the same number. So don't take them as common factor, okay? Those numbers you have to take separately only. Now, other than these 3, which is, sorry, other than these 3, which is common here, what are the numbers we can see? Remaining numbers 7 and 2 into 2 into 2. These are the extra numbers we have other than the common factor. Now let us multiply all these. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 threes are, sorry, 8 sevens are 56. 56 into 3 is 168. 168 is the LCM of 21 and 24. Let me give you one more example for your clear understanding. Let me take 16 and 24. Let me take 16 and 24. Now I am going to find out the HCF of these two numbers as well as LCM of these two numbers by using the prime factorization method. Okay, children. What are the prime factors here we get for 16? Prime factors for 16 are what, Huria? Tell me. All of you
What?
try, Nana, try. 16 prime factors. All of you try. Shashank, are you okay? Are you feeling okay, Shashank? Are you writing then? Which hand you got fractured? Your voice is not audible.
Not ready.
Right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Right hand.
Okay, okay. See, these are the prime factors of 16, right, children? Now let us find the prime factors for 24. For 24, if you apply division method, you get 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. Here the prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. After that, to find HCF, first we'll circle the common factors so that to make it as 1, right? So HCF, how you will take? Simply you will multiply the things which you can see common here. That's all. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 is the HCF of what? 8 is the HCF of 8 is the HCF of 16 and 24. In the same manner, let us find out the least common multiple of 16 and 24. Again, the same thing here. We have to extract the prime factors of 16. What are the prime factors of 16? 2 into 2 into 2. What are the prime factors of 24 here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How to find the LCM? First, let us circle the common factors here. Okay. What are common? 2, 2 and one more 2 is common. Other than that, what are remained extra? These two remained extra as factors, right? Let us take those two also to multiply. Now let us multiply all together. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 threes are is how much? 48. 48 is the LCM of what? 16 and 24. Did you all get it, children? Understood? Show your thumb those who have understood. Just comparison. Why I have taken those two at a time? Just to have a comparison till where it is similar, the process till where it is similar, and after that how to find the HCF and how to find the LCM. For finding out the HCF, you are just multiplying the common factors. But whereas to find out the LCM, along with the common factors, you are multiplying the extra factors which remain. Got it? This method is applicable for each and any kind of numbers. Pranav, is it okay? What about others? Samanyu, Viraj, your videos are getting stuck there. I'm unmuting you all. Tell me if you have any doubt anywhere in a single point or any like that. Tell me, anybody is having any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No, is it clear to you all? Is it easy? You feel interesting as you go on doing these problems. But the thing is, you need a lot of practice. You have to take so many problems from textbook also. You take the MPT3, MPT2 and MPT3 in the practice book. Take down the problems of My Practice Time 2 and My Practice Time 3 in your rough books. No, sorry, not rough books, in your practice books, and start doing each and every problem so that you will have a lot of practice. Understood?
And which page?
Textbook, Nana.
Which page?
Textbook.
Which page?
My Practice Time 2 and My Practice Time 3 problems. All the problems, whenever you get time, you go on practicing those problems. If you feel anywhere doubt, you can contact me and you can clear the doubts with me. Okay. Let us do one more problem, example problem. After that, I'll give you notes. The time is getting to complete. So let me explain one more kind of problem. If you have three numbers, if you have three numbers to find the LCM, how you will do?
9
Suppose you have 24, 32.
Number what?
Yes.
Page number what, ma'am?
Page number, right now I don't have textbook with me. I'll send you through MCB, page numbers and all. Okay. Anyhow, the homework part is given from course book today. For practice purpose, I'm giving you the textbook work. You can do it within 3 days. You can take your own time. Within these 3 days, you can complete practicing. Okay. Here, listen carefully. Finding out the LCM, HCF, and LCM of these three numbers. How to find LCM? First, extract the factors of 24, prime factors of 24, then 32, and then 48. And then 48. Here also the same thing. Find extracting the factors of 24, 32, and 48. After that, let us see after we find out the prime factors here. What are the prime factors for 24? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. You all know the method, right, to how to extract the prime factors. So let me not explain you again and again. Here the time taking, it takes a lot of time, and again the time will not be sufficient. 2 into 2 into
next 2 into
2 into
is a
2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are is 32. Next again, let us find out the factors for 48. 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 threes are is 48. So the factors, the prime factors here we got are, again repeat the same things here. See, these are the prime factors you got. Now circle the common factors. See out. Now listen all of you. This is the important thing which I am explaining you people. Listen carefully first. Then if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Listen carefully all of you. See from out of these three numbers, which is repeated for those three, make it as common. Okay. Now one more two is also common for these three numbers. And one more 2 is also common for these three numbers. After that, you don't find any number which is common for the three numbers. Ashish, look at the screen and listen carefully. See, here you can find the common factor for three numbers, but here are some numbers where you don't find them as common factor for three numbers, but even then you have to circle them as ones. Okay, 2 is common for two numbers, right? Even then you circle it and make it as one number only while multiplying. And here these three and this 3 is also common for two more numbers, right? Let us take it as, sorry, I'm explaining, actually here I'm doing the HCF, right? First let me complete the HCF, afterwards I'll go to LCM. Here to find the HCF of 24, 32 and 48, just we have to multiply the common factors. What are those? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is the HCF of what? 24, 32 and 48. Only the things which you can see common for three of the numbers you have to select. Okay. But whereas we come to LCM, let us first circle the common factors here. Common factors. And after that, if you find any common factors for two numbers also, you circle them. After that, make it as one only while multiplying. And here you can see this 3 and this 3 as common, right? Sorry. These 3 and this 3 as common. Make it as one number while multiplying. See, now what are the numbers we have to multiply? 2 is common for 3 of the numbers. Again, one more 2 is common for 3 of the numbers. One more 2 is common for 3 of the numbers. After that, one more 2 is common for 2 of the numbers. But even then we have to take it as one common number as 2. Then 3 is common for two more numbers. Make it as only 1 3. After that, what remain? These two got remain. That also you take it for multiplication. Now you multiply all the numbers here. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 threes are 48. 48 twos are how much? It will be 96. 96 is the LCM of what? 24, 32 and 48. Got it, children? Now I'm going to unmute you. If you have any doubt, I'll give you 1 minute of time. You can clear it with me. On your videos, first of all.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Who is that? Shashank? Tell me, Shashank. On your video and make it fast. All of you should on your videos. Shashank, your voice is not clear. You call me personally.